Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair and makeup reviews and tutorials. So today I'm very excited to be collaborating with TTDEYE. So they specialize in colored contact lenses, which is really exciting because I've always wanted to try colored contacts and I never really got the chance to because I had to wear actual prescription contacts. I don't think it's really good to wear two contact lenses at the same time. So now that I had laser eye done, I can try colored contacts. It's always something I really wanted to try. I feel like it'd be really fun. I don't know, I feel like my eyes are kind of boring. They're just like this dark medium brown. So it'll be fun to see what my eyes will look like in different colors. So before I begin the review, please remember to like and subscribe. And also my Instagram is V_Vogue, so you can get updates on my newest videos and uploads. So let's dive in. So today I'm going to be demonstrating and reviewing 4 of their different colors. It was really hard to pick from their collection. They have an enormous amount of lenses available. So if you're really looking for a specific type of color, they will definitely have that for you, whether it's for light eyes or dark eyes. They have everything available on their website. I will put the link for that below so that you can go check it out. So let's get started. So this is basically the box that it came in. I really like the packaging. It's really fun. It makes me really excited to try their lenses. So when you open it on the inside, it has a little like goodies and stuff. So you'll get 2 lenses per box. So like 1 pair. It came with these little heart thingies. I feel like this would be good for nails or this little like heart confetti. I'm not too sure. It's cute though. So this other thing that's in here, I honestly thought it was maybe a condom or something. I need to get my head out of the gutter. It's actually, now that I read it, this is actually a little compact mirror. I think these are little tattoos that you can put on, like these little floral watercolor tattoos. So when you open the little package here, it comes with your 2 lenses. I took mine out, so they're not in here anymore, but they were in here. I decided to take them out so that they can sit in solution overnight so that they can be disinfected. I feel like that's a really good thing to do before you put in contact lenses, is to make sure they're actually like sterile. Just say on the little packaging that they are sterile. I just wanted to clean them before I put them in my eye. Really excited to try these. Here we go. I'm a little nervous because I have nails right now, and normally when I used to wear contacts, I wore contacts for like since like what, grade 6? Oh my god. I never really had nails, so this is going to be fun. The good thing that I think I'm probably going to use is that when they come with these little cases individually, but they also come with these little eye tweezers, and it also comes with these little stick thingies. So I'm pretty sure it's like you dab the contact and you can just put it in your eye. So the first one that I think I want to try is Egypt Blue. This looks more like a natural blue, I think, but we'll see how it looks on top of my brown eyes. So I have it on a little pokey stick here. So this is what Egypt Blue looks like for the contact lens. So we're gonna try this out. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, that did not work. I'm gonna take them out with this. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my palm. What I like to do is I put it on my palm, my hands are clean, and I like to see to make sure that the curvature of the lens is the right way and that it's not inside out. Okay, let's give this another try. I can do this. It feels kind of rubbery. Stay in my eye. It's like it wants to stay in my eye, but it can't. I wiped off a bit of the running mascara. Let's try this again. Okay. She's staying. Oh, I think we got it. I worked so hard on my makeup today and now it's all smudged. Okay, we have 1. Let's hope that my second eye goes a little bit smoother. Maybe it's because I got laser eye and my eyes are very sensitive. I don't really know. Okay, so she's blink a little bit. Oh my god. I feel like if they're not properly positioned, it's gonna be kind of fuzzy. If you look at it closely, the color is on your iris. So where your pupil is actually supposed to be, there's no color so that you can actually see through. I'm gonna go clean this up and then I can actually fully show you guys how this looks like. Wow. This looks so cool. I I really like the look of these. I feel like right now what's happening is I'm getting this kind of blurry, hazy. It's not that bad, but I feel like I'm trying to see my screen right now. It's a little bit hazy. I think it's because the colored portion is overlapping with my pupil. Let's see if I can adjust it a little bit and I can see better. I'm sorry if this makes you squeamish that I'm touching my eye. I feel like you need it to really sit in the right spot. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. I don't know if I would wear these all the time because I feel like I can't see quite as well. So yeah, this one is Egypt Blue. I find it looks really natural. It doesn't look too poppy, and that's why I picked this color, because it's not too much of a vibrant blue. It looks more muted down. And when you look at it closely, there's a little bit of like a warmness in the center of the iris, which is really nice. So yeah, I really like this color. This is really awesome. So I ended up having to take off one of my nails. It's actually just like one of those glue-on ones because I could not take out the contact lens. So the next color that I'm going to try is Polar Lights Brown. It looked really pretty online. It looked like it was also suitable for brown eyes. And now just for reference, this is what the lens looks like. So it almost looks clear. It's a very light yellow. So we'll see how this turns out on my eye and if it's not gonna make me cry again. Wow. So I feel like with this one, it just kind of like enhances your brown eyes and just makes them a little bit lighter. I think the good thing with this one is because it's a very light yellow, the color of the lens, that I'm actually not seeing that much haziness. So I'm really liking that. Let's try the other one in my eye. Whoa. Oh my God. Wow. Do people actually have this eye color? This is so gorgeous. So this is Polar Lights Brown. I feel like this is more comfortable to wear. I really like how this just is a very subtle lens. It just makes you look a little bit brighter, like your eyes are in the sun. Like, look how natural this looks. I'm amazed. I was honestly like, what if this comes out too yellow? I think you can hardly tell that it's a contact lens because it looks so natural. Okay, we are into this. This is really beautiful. Okay, so now that I figured out how to take them off, now I'm gonna show you how I take them off using the finger that I have just taken the nail off. Just like so, very simple. Always make sure your hands are clean when you are removing contact lenses. Now the next color that I have is Egypt Purple. So I decided to go for like a little bit more of like a fun color. I've been watching a lot of anime lately. I don't know if you guys watch anime. I've been really into like the cool colors for eyes. So we're gonna give this a try. I'm really hoping this is gonna look pretty and it's actually gonna show up on my eye. As you can see, it's a very light color. So we'll see what it looks like when it's actually on my eye. Oh, there's a bit of like a yellow ring in the center. Why is this one being difficult now? Go up. No, I don't want to start crying again. I swear I'm not in pain. It's just my eyes run very easily since post-surgery. Oh my God. Wow. If the lens is kind of like this, where it's kind of going this way, that's when you know the lens is inside out. I'm leaking everywhere. All right. This seems to be helping, just doing this. Wear waterproof mascara if this is the first time you're doing this. I highly recommend that. All right, so this is Egyptian Purple. This is so subtle, but look how beautiful this is. Wow, I feel like a little anime girl. Like, this is so pretty. Very subtle. I really like how these lenses really, they kind of like enlarge your irises so you look a little bit more of like a doll. Oh, this is really cute. Yeah, I definitely really like Egyptian Purple. This is very pretty. Okay, so now this last one is going to be Mystery Red. So I'm a little bit nervous on what this is gonna look like. Mystery Red, we're gonna try this out. If you watch anime, the character's name is Yumiko Jambami and she has like gorgeous red eyes. So I guess that kind of inspired me to pick this one. So here it is. This is Mystery Red. So, oh my God. Ah. Oh, I'm so nervous about this. Whoa, oh my God. I feel like I'm from Twilight and I just ate a human. Holy shit. Ooh, this one you can see a red glow around everything. So there's like a slight redness in the outside of like my peripheral vision. Kind of like when you play Call of Duty and you get shot and there's like red around your screen. It kind of feels like that right now, which is weird. Okay, let's plop the other one in. Oh, that didn't work. Whoa. Okay, this is a different look. Definitely I was going for like a Yumiko Jambami kind of look. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her last name right, but yeah. Holy. So this is Mystery Red. And then this is what it looks like more zoomed out with my whole face. I don't know where I would wear these, maybe for Halloween or for streaming or something like that. But I feel like for everyday use, this might be a little bit scary for people. But I really like it. I think it's really cool. So yeah, that basically sums up the contact lenses that I have from TTDEYE. They're really beautiful lenses. I find they really enhance your eyes, make them look larger, but in still a very natural kind of way. Again, this is my first time wearing colored contacts. I don't know what it's actually supposed to feel like, but this is really exciting. I'm really happy to have been able to give this a try. If you want to give TTDEYE a try, you can also use my coupon code V2 for 10% off of your order. They're a lot of fun. They are good for Halloween, or if you just want to spice things up every now and then and just wear different colors, because why not? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a lot more reviews coming up, so make sure that you subscribe, ring that bell so you get notifications for my next coming uploads, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!